Hello everyone, I am KAVaNa. I am guided and mentored by Rohini ma'am from Sri Chamundeshwari Medical College. Today I am going to talk about the development of diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped musculotendinous partition that separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. The diaphragm consists of 4 embryonic components. It consists of septum transversum, dorsal mesentery of the esophagus and a paired pleuroparietal membrane and a mesoderm of the body wall. Septum transversum. It develops from the ventral lateral wall of the body of the embryo. It develops in the dorsal direction and separates the heart from the liver. It lies between the pericardial and the peritoneal cavity. It gives rise to the central tendon of diaphragm. The pleuroparietal membrane. It develops and closes the pleuroparietal canal. They fuses with the dorsal mesentery of the esophagus and septum transversum. It gives rise to the small peripheral part of the diaphragm. Dorsal mesentery of the esophagus. This mesentery will form from the medial portion of the diaphragm. It will fuse anteriorly with the septum transversum and laterally with the pleuroparietal membrane. It forms the crura of the diaphragm. The mesoderm of the body wall. It has 2 layers, external layer and the internal layer. The external layer it forms the walls of the abdomen and the internal layer forms the peripheral part of the diaphragm. And the nerve supply. During the 4th week of intrauterine life, the septum transversum lies in the cervical region opposite to 3rd, 4th and 5th cervical somites. And it is supplied by the corresponding cervical spinal cord, that is C3, C4, C5. By the 6th week of intrauterine life, the diaphragm descends caudally downwards to the thoraco-abdominal junction, that is opposite to T7 to T12 spinal segment. The descent of the diaphragm occurs due to the elongation of the neck, descent of heart and expansion of the pleural cavity. When the diaphragm descends, it carries the nerve supply with it. Hence, the diaphragm is supplied by the phrenic nerve. Thank you.